Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll explain how Flash USDT works in 2026 using an automated platform. The platform is based on a smart contract that handles the process automatically, without manual action or complex setup. This video is for educational purposes only and it meant to help understand the technology. I'll show you how it looks in practice and explain the core idea in simple terms. Let's take a look how this platform works in practice. Here the technology behind the smart contracts is explained in detail, including how the automated process functions. What I like most is that the platform doesn't work with just one token, but supports multiple options. Today I'll be testing the creation of Flash TRX. So next we select the network and specify the amount of Flash TRX we want to create. Okay, of course there's a service fee involved when you're working with the Flash tokens. And this is part of how the smart contract operates. These tokens can be used for testing and trading on supported platforms, including gaming servers. Now we need to enter the address where we want to receive the tokens. I'm using Trust Wallet, but you can use any other crypto wallet you prefer. Paste the address and select the time that period during which the tokens will be available, and after that click Generate. At this moment the smart contract is being created, so we just need to wait a little for the process to complete. So now we are at the payment screen. Let's take a closer look at it. And here we have two payment options, guys, available, either using the selected token or using USDT. Since I have some USDT on the TRC20 network, I will choose to pay with USDT. We copy the payment address and send the transaction. Great, the payment now is processing. So we just need to wait for the transaction to be completed. Alright guys, we received notification confirmation that the funds were successfully sent, so then we can return to the platform and confirm the payment. The platform analyzes the transaction, and once it's confirmed, the tokens become available shortly. Alright guys, so Flash token successfully generated. Here we have the transaction hash, and now let's go back to the wallet and wait for the tokens to arrive. Let's refresh the wallet and we see the result, guys. The token has arrived as expected. This is a convenient way to interact with the platform without directly connecting the wallet or signing any contract, and everything happens automatically. See you in my next video and good luck!